Hello. So I'd like to give a brief demonstration of my project SignalCare AI that I built. So this is what the UI looks like. But let me first explain the problem statement. So counselors run back-to-back therapy sessions, and it is genuinely hard to track every linguistic warning sign across a long conversation, like hopelessness creeping in or catastrophic thinking, rumination on the same painful topic over and over again. So, SignalCare AI is a decision support tool that surfaces those patterns automatically from a session recording, so a counselor can review them. It does not diagnose and it does not replace clinical judgment. Think of it as a second set of eyes on the transcript, not a verdict. So, this is what the UI looks like. So, currently, I have made a user, but or the first thing that a user is going to notice is a login page, and so there the user the counsel or the counselor can create uh, um, their profile, and once the profile has been created, they can log in, and this is the UI that they will get to see. So as you can see, this is so for each of the session they have to give some title, session 1 or session 2, something like that, and then they have to upload a video file over there. So for demonstration purpose, I've already done that. I've already created one session 1, and I took one of the videos from the YouTube. And so what happens behind the scene, I will explain. So it starts with a session recording. A counselor uploads the video here on the dashboard, and behind the scenes, the entire pipeline kicks in. So audio is extracted, transcribed with timestamps, and every patient line is PII redacted before anything else touches it. So and redaction happens first always, since this is sensitive clinical text. And so yeah, so the status changes from uploaded to processing. So when the entire pipeline is running, and then it changes to the ready. So here we'll just see how the analytics look like. So on your left hand side, you can see um, this is the session view. As the video plays, I'll play the video. The transcript will be revealed over here on the bottom, and um on the right hand side you can see that the current sentiment for each of uh, the strip will basically show the sentiment trend across the session, and you can see the emotional tone as well shift turn over and over again. And there are four badges that are here on the top right side that you can see. So these are session level signals. So emotional volatility is the patient's tone is swinging sharply turn to turn. So this gets triggered when that is the case. And negative sentiment trend gets triggered when a sustained downward drift is encountered, not just a bad moment. Rumination is triggered when the same distress theme reoccurring across multiple turns. And escalation risk composite occurs fires only when several distinct high risk signals are there. So several high risk signals co occur in the same window. So it's reserved for genuinely elevated moments, not routine. So as you can see, I'll play the video. So on the right hand side, these session signals are temporal in nature. So they gets fired when a particular set of emotional trigger occurs. So yeah, uh, so current sentiment is based on each of the conversation that is taking place. So this is what the analytics looks like, and there is also a chat bot over here. So you can just in case if you have any question related to it, you can ask a question, something like, let's say, when did let me just put in, when did uh, volatility spike in the session. So the chatbot is going to answer. So volatility, which is indicated by signals 5, which was detected in several turns. Notability is spiked in turn 5 when the patient expressed their job situation kind of sucks and continued. So here it's also going to give the negative sentiment why it was reflected. Um, and so yeah, based on the turns, you can go and count the turns, and you can get that information, or you can ask directly what is that exact time step, and it is going to give you that timestamp as well. So yeah, this is what the chatbot is, and it has memory, so you can ask repeated questions also related to it. So thank you for listening to the demonstration. Thank you.